How to make your post only for you on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your post only for you on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner and then click your profile, and now go select any post you want like this one and click these 3 points here and then click edit post and then friends, and now select this one, only me, and go back and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.